let's get a fire going, huh? Thing of jute twine I'll cut up into usable pieces. Been nice for a few days, so hopefully these twigs aren't damp. Fire starts right up. If it doesn't, that's fine. I'll grab some birch bark, and birch bark works pretty good. Alright, that should be plenty. Char cloth here. Nice thing about the char cloth, it's not a huge rush. That's the best part about that jute. It really goes nuts. Usually it stays together a little better than that. Alright. That's fine, that's why we got the bellows. The little stuff is really dry. Get a decent fire going, and I think I'm gonna cook a pizza in my Dutch oven. Just a small, cheap pizza for a snack. Ooh. Oh yeah, she's gonna go. Of course, you know, like always, the wind's right in my face. No matter where I am. But yeah, this time I brought a tripod. And we'll try it out. See if we can't get a pizza in here. We do have a grill down in the bottom of it. So that should help with keeping it from burning. Nice quiet day out. Well, I just about got the pot heated up where I can actually put it over the fire, but I got to get the fire died down. My firewood pile looks like I'm gonna need to replenish. Good thing I got lots of material at home. Been pretty nice out here. Cows haven't been out here. They're in the other pasture still, so that's real nice. Yeah, I've got a grate down in the bottom of the pot. That'll keep my pizza up off the bottom. Lantern hanging in the tree for later tonight. And I decided I wanted to add to the pizza, so pepper jack cheese, some sliced onion. Didn't use all the onion because I'm doing chili dogs later and I want more. And it's just a Tostino's party pizza, supreme style. They're cheap pizzas. They work well for what they are. And no hammock this time. Brought a friend with me. And she can't decide whether she likes my bed better than hers. She keeps going back and forth. You good girl, Ruby? Yeah? She just wants more of that cheese. I'm not setting up a tarp tonight. Not supposed to rain till late tomorrow night. I'm just here for the day, or the night, I should say. Take a break from life and get outdoors, you know how it is. I probably won't do much but sit around camp and cook and eat. And absolutely enjoy sitting around a fire. I did bring my fire anchor. You can see it sticking out of the ground. I don't need it for cooking a pizza, but I'm definitely going to want that baby later for doing chili dogs. I've got a pretty good setup for that. Of course, you know, parked right next to the truck, so I could bring whatever I wanted. So of course I did. I brought everything I could possibly need and more. It'll be different sleeping on the ground for me. I haven't used an air mattress in a long time. And it's just a cheap air mattress. Every time I've used it so far, it's leaked. Stuck it in a swimming pool, couldn't find a hole. So I'm pretty sure it was the valve. So this time I tore up a Ziploc baggie and put it over the valve and closed it. So hopefully that keeps it filled up. If not, I do have my roll-out wool sheep skin blanket underneath of it. So I'll be just fine. Yeah, it'll be a nice day. Sun's still up in the sky. It's about 4:30 or so. Yeah, I'll get back to you when I decide to rotate the pot here and then throw the pizza in it. But like I said, my fire's got to burn down a bit first. Have to get a good bed of coals going. That way, as soon as I'm done cooking that pizza, I can throw a bunch of wood on there and get it flaming again. You can't come out camping and not have a fire. I went camping with the wife last week, I think it was. We took the camp trailer, went and stayed at one of the 1,000 Trails or 1,000 Trails campsites in Chehalis, Washington. It wasn't bad. We stayed a couple nights. Could have been a little nicer. The fire pit had garbage in it. I was kind of unhappy about that. But as it was, we never used the thing. We have a portable propane fire pit that works just fine. One of these days I'll do a review on it. I just want to use it more than actually get how much usage of propane and how long it lasts per tank and stuff like that. Definitely quiet out here today. Not much wind. Haven't even seen birds, which is kind of unusual. But yeah, I'm gonna enjoy this. It's a good break from being home. Oh, got it cooking. It's gonna turn out pretty good, I think. Seems like got some dogs barking in the background, but that's alright. Yeah, I won't cook it very long. It was thawed out when I threw it in there, so it will cook quick. And don't worry, I'll show you what it looks like when I finally open it up. A little bit off the fire, not a lot. That pot was really hot. I had to put my gloves on to even touch the lid, so it should be good. Yeah. Looks like it came out pretty good. Know in a second. Oh yeah, nice crispy crust. Nice. Well, now I'm going to sit back and I'm going to enjoy this. And maybe give a couple scraps to the dog. She loves pizza. Alright, well, I got some hot links here on the grill warming up. They're still frozen, so. And over there I got the chili warming up also. It'll take a while before I get them close to eating time. Oh yeah, they're still solid. Should be some good foods. I don't want to burn them black, that's why they're not over the fire. And you know, the chili, all it needs to do is get good and warm. Plus I put some onions and some pepper jack cheese in there. Of course I saved some for the hot dog buns too. And I got some spicy Dijon mustard to go with them. Should be pretty good. 2 for me, 2 for the dog. She does love camping. She never eats dog food when we're camping, and I can't really blame her. Been a quiet night. The frogs are starting to make noise here and there, but outside of that, not too bad so far. It's not quite fully dark out, but put the headlamp on just because the camera doesn't really pick it up. You see still a little blue light in the sky back there. Not for long. It'll be black soon. Dog, she's decided she likes the back corner in there. Get it on her. She'll probably spend the whole night right there. Just keep me warm, I guess. She doesn't like the popping sounds from the fire. I can't blame her for that. It's kind of like fireworks to her, and she hates that. Yeah, I got my lantern going. I've got some cheese cut up there, some onion. Probably hard to tell with my headlamp shining too bright. Mustard I'm trying out. See if we can actually get it. Southwest hot mustard is what it says. Let's try to find an equal point where the light shines. Smells good. I haven't tried it yet, but it smells good. Let's hope it tastes good. Quiet, a few airplanes here and there flying over. We are just under the air pattern from Portland to Seattle right here, so not too shocking. Yeah, I'll get back to you when these buggers are ready to go on the buns. I'm probably going to heat up my buns too, because it's temperature's dropping fast. Oh. Do love me some hot links. Alright. Chili's looking good. Sorry about the lighting, all I really have is my lantern and the headlight, but I got 2 dogs set up here, no mustard. My dog does not like mustard, doesn't like onions, but she loves a little pepper jack in her food. Let me grab the hot dogs. Or actually, I'll just grab these warmed up buns I got here. Oh, those look good. Nice and crispy. For me, lots of pepper jack, of course. A little of this Southwest hot mustard. Hopefully it's good. Watched any of my other chili dog videos, you know I like it a little spicy. Alright. I'm gonna need a paper towel for this because I'm gonna burn my fingers grabbing them buggers. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yummy. Flaming hot, but ooh, very yummy. Alright. Alright. Put some onions. Boy, I'm not going to have enough room for chili. I'll figure it out. Just do it the hard way. Lay these buggers clean open over here. Definitely going to have more chili than I need, which is fine. I'll throw it on my eggs in the morning. yeah. I'd actually have to eat this with a tool, which not a problem. Oh, yeah, definitely more chili than I needed. I only cooked one little can, but that was definitely... Alright, some more. I'm gonna eat this with my spoon. I might even get fancy and go grab my fork. I'll have to wait till these sausages cool down before I'll let my dog eat them, but yeah, I think I'll save the rest of that chili for in the morning on my eggs and potatoes. Give you an idea what I'm doing. I'm not sure how the camera's picking any of this out. I've been noticing a slight difficulty with this headlamp, which I'll talk about when I do the review on it. Oh, that looks good, doesn't it? And like always, I'm not going to make you watch me eat it. I will definitely need a couple paper towels for eating it. Campfire chili dogs. You can't beat this food.